When you look up at the night sky, space feels unimaginably far away. But what if I told you that when you're flying in a commercial airplane, you're already about 10 kilometers above Earth? That might sound high, but space itself starts at around 100 kilometers above the surface. That means if Earth were the size of a basketball, space would begin just a few millimeters above it. The official boundary of space is called the Kármán line, about 100 kilometers above Earth. At that height, the atmosphere becomes so thin that airplanes can no longer generate lift. Instead, you need to orbit the planet to stay up there. That's why astronauts on the International Space Station are technically only a short distance above us, yet they're constantly falling around Earth. Many people think astronauts float because there's no gravity in space. But that's not true. Even 400 kilometers up, where the International Space Station orbits, Earth's gravity is still about 90% as strong as it is on the ground. Astronauts float because they're in constant free fall, orbiting Earth at about 28,000 kilometers per hour. Space might feel distant, but our atmosphere is incredibly thin. In fact, 99% of Earth's atmosphere lies within just 30 kilometers of the surface. Beyond that, the sky fades from blue to black. And just a few hundred kilometers above us, satellites circle the planet every 90 minutes. Here's something incredible to think about. Earth's atmosphere doesn't really end. It slowly fades into space for hundreds of thousands of kilometers. In fact, the outer edge of our atmosphere, called the geocorona, extends past the moon, which means when astronauts walked on the moon, they were technically still inside Earth's atmosphere.